Hi guys, so we are back again for another unboxing review of a different keyboard and a mechanical. It's from Aula. So without further ado, let's go to the unboxing.
Eventually.
So here's the box. As you can see, it's from Aula. The brand is Win F2066-1. It's a mechanical keyboard, as you can see. Based from the box, it looks magnificent, looks good. The RGB light looks powerful enough. It's under 50 bucks. It's from my country. As you can see, different kind of languages. In English, Korean, Portuguese, Espanol, all kind of languages. It's from Aula. Remember the name of it. This is the picture. So without further ado, let's go check what is inside the box. See the beautiful name of Aula. Can open it up. Okay, right at the back we will see the keyboard itself. So let's put it out from the box. From opening it, we can hear the keyboards clicking already. It sounds magnificent. Let's see the quick sound key. Very nice. Oh, look at that. It's a blue switch right there. So the key must be inside the plastic. So let's check what is else inside. Right there is the key of the left arrow. So this is the thing that you use to pull the key out and put the keys back. So later I'm gonna show you how to put it back. So we have one last thing here is our instruction manual. To be honest, nobody reads about this, but if you're gonna be the first time users of mechanical keyboard, it's better to read about the instruction manual. As you can see, if you don't know this kind of functions, better read this. Don't just toss it around, forget it. It's very important to read things up so we will not damage the item we spend on it. Let's take care of it. Remember that, guys. So let's toss the box away just for a moment. Now let's focus on the keyboard. So I'm gonna quickly give you a tutorial of how you put it. So this thing, do not lose this around or do not forget where you're going to put it, because this thing is very important, as this will be your main tool to remove and put back the keys that is already taken out, because this kind of keys you can change it. You can buy it online on Amazon. So all you have to do, this thing, can you see it? All right, just put it like, see, did you hear that? It has the click sound. It means it's okay. And just put it all the way, press it there. Simple as that. Now it's functioning. You can hear that. It sounds lovely. Sounds gaming. Alright, so without further ado, let's try to plug it in to my computer. So I'm gonna extend the wire because my computer is kind of far away of what we are going to. But oh no, let's not forget about the functionality. See the logo right there, and here is your replay button or rewind, pause and play. It's a multimedia knob. This one is changing the lights, and if you can see that, it has the mute button right there. So once you click that, you can mute your game or your music if you have your Spotify when you love playing games or watching a movie. If you want to pause the video, Just spacebar and then mute, or just simply mute the volume. Simple as that. If you have your headset or you have the speaker, you can use this immediately. So that's a fine thing from Aula. So without further ado, let's go check out the RGB light. Look at that. Wow! Fantastic. You see that? That's how the Aula open up and turns off. So let's put the stand up. Alright, see, look at that. So right now we have our keyboard. So I'm going to show you now the function. So you see WASD, different color, like I think it's pink. The same thing with the arrows. So this is your movement, your tab, your normal keyboard. This thing is for gaming. At the same time, you can use this for work also. It works both ways. You have your numbers right here. If you have some shortcut in your games, you can use this one. Blue means it's very important right there. Green is function. Red, something like that. So it's very nice. The combinations of the RGB is very unique. So I'm going to show you the different kind of RGB lighting modes. See, only this part lights up. So right now I'm going to pause the video.
Meanwhile,
so there we go. This is what it looks like when there's no light at all. It's if you're live playing or using your keyboard. around. So this is like going around the middle, giving you a heartbeat signal. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. So it's going from the top going to the inner circle. See? Oh. Okay, another mode. Another mode. I think this is 19 modes. Look at that. If you know what I'm talking about, it's like the snake from our previous phone. If you're playing snake game, something like that, it's like this. See? Look at it. Chasing around, going around up and down. Now this is random lights. It's like Christmas lights. But look at the way it lights. It's very sequential. I think there is a mode that if you have the music on, it will follow the beat. I think this is it, the one. Look at that. Wonderful, right? Fantastic. Look at that. Now we are back on steady mode. Yeah, this is the steady mode, the standard, the default mode. You can see num lock, caps lock. So everything functions very well. So right now I'm going to show you my screen. This is what I have typed right now. So there you have it, my unboxing review of the Aula Wind F2066-1 mechanical gaming keyboard. You can use this both for your work, for editing videos. If you're like me, I'm streaming right to my Twitch. You can check it out down to the link on my description below. And you give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to be updated for my upcoming videos. I really recommend this game because this is very affordable and it has the quality that we need if you are hardcore gamers just like me and the other players. If you're watching this, you can grab this to your local stores or check it out in Amazon. I'm gonna leave a description down below. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Peace.